to my channel. It's DDH Janae. And y'all, I just landed in Ventura. I don't know how to say the name, but I look hurt right now. But wait till later. I'm gonna vlog everything. The airport is so nice. The airport is so nice. It's small, but it's nice. But yeah, I'm gonna find a taxi. And yeah, I will see y'all when I get to the resort and meet with my friend Ari.
Ahora en Lidl Canarias, 760 gramos de albóndigas de pollo por 3,89. Ahorras €1. Y queso fresco de vaca por 7,25 el kilo. Ahorras un 11%. Lidl Canarias, marca la diferencia.
Hay superheroínas que luchan por un mundo mejor con músculos superelásticos. Ayudando a mantener viva la cultura y la identidad de nuestros barrios también. Gracias.
No, Luis, no era para ti.
Los 80, los 90 y los 2000 con Johnny García. XFM.
The water, what the heck? Baby, these little pictures finna be fire. I should have brought my Bible. Should have brought my Bible. We can do Bible study. Yeah, I'm not worried about no man no more. Get that man. This is so pretty. Our little hot tub. But what? What? Yep. Clacky. Hey y'all. Welcome back. What's your fine girl back there? Y'all, this is so tea. This we stay. Hey.
Not the bush trying to kill us.
We literally in one of these little cabana looking things. Wait, is that even called a cabana?
Villa.
A villa. Yeah. Somebody cabana. Ain't that the thing that be on the beaches? Y'all, this so tea. Friend, you glowing.
My forehead looks massive.
Mine do too. Hey y'all, welcome back. Y'all, this lady stopped us and asked could she take our pictures. So she been taking our pictures. And yeah, get into it. Get into it. Y'all look so pretty. This little pimple will not let me last though. But I'm excited. My birthday trip, y'all. I turned 22. And I'm excited for what God has in store for me. And I'm just excited. Yeah, I'm just excited. 22. 22. Who you know? Huh?
I'm not
Huh?
100% less.
Oh, okay. But I'm gonna be just vlogging bits and pieces because I don't want to take away from my trip. So I'm gonna just give y'all little snippets here and there. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next. And I'll be in another country next week. So what country y'all think I'm going to next week? Huh? But I don't know, I probably sound real confident right now. But y'all, she literally, yeah, get into it, friend. Yeah. Y'all, she did literally getting every angle. Like, booked the hotel. It's called Barcelo Fuerteventura Castillo. If I'm saying the name wrong of the island, I'm sorry. I finna say country, but we in Spain. One of the Canary Islands. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. So I'm gonna record bits and pieces, and then we're going to the beach, we're taking pictures. We doing my dinner tonight. I'm excited to experience 22, honestly, and take y'all along with me, because I'm definitely gonna be more consistent with vlogging and getting this content out, because I'm always told, where the content at? Where the content at? Where the content at? Y'all finna get it. Y'all finna get it. Y'all finna get it. Y'all finna get it. Get off me, please. Thank you. Y'all finna get the content. Let me cook. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so we just got done eating some Tex-Mex, because that's exactly what it was giving. I had carne asada tacos, and she had burrito tacos. And y'all, when I tell you that food was so, like, the taco was so flimsy, and then the steak was barely cooked. Y'all, it was so nasty. And she was like, oh, you still gotta pay for it. Y'all already went off. She was like, the customer, ain't it what the customer think? Not what you. Ain't nobody else complain about their tacos, baby. This ain't that.
Their taste buds is not mine. I don't care what them people is eating.
Bruh, y'all, I was up in there trying to hold my, I should say hold my bearing, bro. Calm down.
Nice at first, but don't get smart.
Nah, she was like, well, it was so funny. But y'all, we walked down the road and we walked into like a little beach. You can't swim, so yeah, the waves waving. But yeah, y'all, I had to tell y'all that because it was so funny. Ari had me cackling, bro.
Play all that. Just like the McDonald's, nobody got that. That's just for us. Nobody needs to know.
Let's start recording. Hey y'all, I think my camera's still dirty. Hold on. I will talk to y'all when we get breakfast. After we get breakfast, because I'm gonna chow down. Y'all, we on the boat. Okay, boat. Yo. Y'all, I feel like a little rotisserie chicken. This water hot? Oh, friend, I don't think so. I think it's getting worse the longer I steam right here. Yeah, I'm just...
If you get out, you ain't gonna never get back in.
Ooh, when you move somewhere else, it just get hotter.
You just gotta stay still. You talking about stir. No, I'm not been up in this spoon.
Y'all, the view looks so cute.
They can't see nothing but that screen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's DDH Janae, and today we are traveling. I'm gonna put my last vacation and this vacation together because I'm literally just doing clips. It's literally probably 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, one of them two. No, it's 3 in the morning. And yeah, I'm tired because I went to bed at like 1 a.m. Had to wake up at 2. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna give y'all an outfit check. So on the top, hold on, I'm gonna just turn y'all around 1 second. We have a 2819 shirt with, oh wait, gotta get the back, with Preach the Word on the back. With these Lululemon sweatpants that my best friend picked out for me when we were shopping. Super tee. And then my black Travis Scotts. And I put my little charms on there. The L and a Y. And Lance's ribbon. And his favorite verse. And also my favorite verse. So yeah, and then I have Team Lance hat. So yeah, this is the fit. I'm finna get going to go to the airport. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see in the next video. I'm recording on my phone because my phone gets content out quicker than my camera. And my camera takes forever, so I just always use my phone. But yeah, y'all, let's go. Guys, so I made it to the airport. I don't know why my camera looks like that. I don't know. I made it to the airport. Y'all, I think my camera is cracked. But I made it to the airport. The fit. I got my little charms. My L and my Y. All that. Real cute. And yeah, y'all. Plane. I'm excited. I'm excited. 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 Trip number 2 in the same month. Who you know? But y'all, I'm excited. I'm ready to, honestly, this has been a lot. It's been a lot. Your girl tired. I'm tired. But I'm gonna start giving y'all this content, and y'all better tune in because yeah, I need all my support, all my supporters. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell their mama, to tell their brother, to tell their sister, to tell their auntie. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you when I leave. our way to go jet skiing. This is the little fit. Little bag. It's so sunny out here. This is the fit. Oh, let me see your phone. I'm not hitting chat.
Frozen. Yoo-hoo, big summer blowout.
Friend, rated 1 out of 10.
0. 0. I almost died. No, thank you.
Y'all, it was a 10 out of 10. Like, that was so much fun.
Don't get on there, just that's a death trap.
With me, anyway.
She want to be boom, boom, boom. No.
Y'all, it was so fun. It was so fun. Definitely 10 out of 10. But y'all, I'm peeling on my shoulders. My face is burning from this salt water.
Skin all tore.
Skin all tore up. But we eating though. We definitely okay skin.
Girl, I look burnt. She talking about okay skin. Crispy.
Babe, I love looking like a golden chicken nugget.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Looking like a McDonald's chicken nugget. And yeah, y'all, I'm just updating y'all. The view is accurate. Very tea. This island was very intentional by God. Very intentional. But I will let y'all go. It's just little bits and pieces of the vloggy. Yeah, but you could have got cute pictures in your pink bathing suit. But we got back late. Yeah.
But we're not gonna be able to do that. We can't
I
spend
mean,
no
we
hour, 2
get
hours
ready and
getting
dressed.
dressed.
That's what we can do. We can come back here. We can get dressed and then just come back. We do not gotta spend long getting dressed. Cause look at all these.
We need to
all
be dressed
these
by
outlets.
2.
I would say before 2. What time is it right now? Yeah, I feel like we can be done before 1:30. Like camp back over here at 1:30. Cause it's only 15 minutes away.
You gonna make us read